if some of you have nerves right now, throw them out the window. Why? Because you got 10 of your brothers on the field with you. Someone makes a mistake, you pick them up. Okay, I can promise you this. If you start the game the way we talked about, and you start the game with the right mentality, we walk out of here and we advance. If you give them any sign of hope, okay, then we make it a difficult night. So make sure that that whistle blows. You start well. You give them nothing. You make them feel it. And we advance. Yeah, let's go, gentlemen.
Here they come inside the 18. A cross inside, and it goes just high. Waiting a little bit. Some theatrics there. Louisville down the right side, they might have numbers. Manny Perez straight off the bench down the right side. He crosses into Ownby. Ownby with the shot, deflected. Try to find it out. The nice goal, and he goes past him. Louisville City, Wilson Harris. First goal of the night in the 75th minute. And Lynn Family Stadium erupts. The crossing from Louisville, the headed. Oh, and it was almost 2-0, just wide. Scouring time. This one's going to be a quick flick. Into the box, they settle it, they get the shot off, and it's going to be blocked by Kyle Morton. And that's it.
We talked about it coming, yeah? We talked about the goal was going to come. Effort tonight, excellent. Some areas we know we need to clean up, right? But the idea was to advance. That was the goal, and we did.